So guys, we are going to our hotel, and this is the way going to our hotel. And we will stay there in our hotel for a few days, and we will discover something there.
Si t'es gentil, mon chéri, on prendra peut-être le train.
D'accord.
Et comme on est quand même en voiture, si je peux faire en voiture, je fais en voiture. Je vais réfléchir.
So beautiful, guys. You see, every cities or villages, they have their own uniqueness.
J'ai qu'il ne faut pas pousser non plus. C'est encore sur la commune.
This is not a part yet.
Still part of the commune de Klosters, apparemment. On va voir.
See guys, how beautiful the landscape and the mountain. It's beautiful.
Pas que c'était si vieux.
For me, it's a very old city, 500 years.
C'est pas le city, Canton.
Yeah, it's a old Canton because it's 500 years. It's the old already.
Well, Switzerland is more than 700 years. I mean, the beginning, huh, of course.
There, you see the view.
Faut beaucoup monter et descendre avec les maisons.
It's mountain. It's all green here.
Oui, il est impatient, ce limite là, mais pour attendre avec après l'autre nature, il va devoir attendre aussi. Maintenant, Klosters, bien, on est bien dans la région de Klosters.
You see, it's beautiful.
Ouais, monsieur, il croyait avoir gagné une place, en fait, il avance pas. Ici. Ah! Allez, mais il est mal foutu, ce... Ah oui, je peux prendre aussi l'autre route, ce que je vais faire. Ça, tu vas voir le pont. Je vois rien avec ça. Ah ben non, regarde.
So guys, andito na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa ating destination. Ayan. Kita ninyo, dyan tayo mag-i-stay. Sa babang, ng baba ng mountain na yun. Ayan, dyan tayo. So, itong place na to is tinatawag nilang Grisons. So, dito tayo mag-spend ng ilang araw, and then gagawa tayo ng activities kaya ng ginawa natin sa ibang lugar na napuntahan natin sa baba ng village nila. So, malapit na tayo. So, ayan.
Klosters music.
May statue doon na mukha. Kanina mukha yun nawawala.
Klosters. J'y suis jamais venu.
house ng mga dito, tsaka hotel, ganyan yung building nila, parang kahoy pero hindi yan siya kahoy, cemented yan siya. Yan to.
Un éléphant bleu.
Guys, may elephant dito na color blue. Yan, sa loob, hindi natin makita ang buong ano niya.
C'est là.
So dito na tayo sa hotel.
Alors,
Dito yung hotel
ici,
natin. So welcome to Gray Zone, guys. We will spend our holiday here. In a few days we will stay here. For a few days rather, not in a few days. For a few days we will stay here. This is our hotel. That's our hotel where we are going to stay for a few days. Here's the entrance of our hotel. There's the garage. We are here in the front desk.
Ist bei Ihnen der Auto von der Höhe in Ordnung? Oder
And this is
ein
the
bisschen
front desk.
größer? Passt schon. Ja, auf den
This is our hotel, guys, and we will wait here for the.
Herzlich willkommen.
Dankeschön.
So, bräuchte ich einmal den Meldeschein ausgefüllt,
Ja.
Some dealer made of
Adresse
wood.
und noch Geburtstag und dann noch von...
Our room is 115. So guys, our room is 115. It's here in this side, I don't know where. So our room is in this side, and we're on the first floor.
Monte. Vite. Allez, monte, allez.
So this is our room.
Merci, chérie.
Merci. This is our room, guys. Beautiful. And we will see the view that's outside. Pakita ko sa inyo yung view.
Mets tes chaussures là, hein. C'est
Ito.
top.
Yan ang view natin dito sa labas. Sa hotel natin. So guys, this is the view of our hotel outside. And we are in the top of this building. And you can see the view here. This place is the city is Gray Zone. And we are here in our hotel. We will stay here for a few days.
Bon, il y a un mini-bar avec des
This is
boissons.
the bed.
Ici.
And we have a mini bar and with drinks, but we don't use the alcohol. I'm not drinking alcohol. And I don't know what is this. It's here.
But you can put the fruits in the
It's
mini-bar
okay.
if you want.
Yes. And here is our toilet. So this is our
Ah, on
bathroom.
peut juste mettre ta valise vide ici, tu vois.
With that, this
It's
is the
nice, it's
bathroom
big,
toilet. Yes. It's like a small store. So ayun. Ang view ng ano dito, maganda siya. Ah, look the dog also.
Ah oui. Et comme tu as dit, regarde, il nous suit, le Max, il est gentil.
So ayun, ipakita ko lang yung sa inyo yung view dito. Perfect view with the sun. 8 PM na guys, it's 8 PM na dito pero clear pa siya.
On te dit bonjour.
Mhm.
Ah oui, il y a le chat. Il y a le chien.
So we continue walking and find a place to eat.
Le chat, il ne peut pas faire autrement que se comporter comme un chat.
Ouais.
Et le chien, oui, mais lui, il est déjà fort. Hein.
Ouais.
Ouais. Après, ça ferme. C'est beau, ça te
Wow.
plaît?
Ouais. Nice sun
On va
rays.
continuer là parce que là, c'est sans issue. Donc on va continuer.
Guys, super nice ang view dito. Yun, may makita tayong small village doon.
Il s'est arrêté, là, j'ai dit merci, mais...
Ang ganda ng sun. Sunset na yan. Yes, sunset. Ayun. Construction. So under construction itong building na to. Guys, tignan niyo yung flowers. Super nice. Sila.
Oui, je sais.
Yan, hotel din yan siya guys. Ang mga hotel dito is para siyang bahay lang. Pero hotel siya.
Ça, ça part d'hôtel, ça, c'est bien.
Sila?
Là, c'est marqué chez un partout, donc je pense que c'est maison.
Nice water. Wooden house. Maya, taka luma numita to Maya, Mayli. Alon no Maya. That's the house of my sister Marlene. I will take a picture and send her.
Comme facile.
Yes, we will go to find a place and then discover the village. Tingnan natin yung view.
Si on peut laisser la voiture au maximum dans le parking, c'est mieux. Hein. Après, c'est difficile à trouver. Je vous regarde, c'est Max. T'as vu?
Ah oui. Mga house dito ganito pa ano.
Toi aussi. Ça me rappelle moi
Look.
le chat que j'ai eu avant, quand il était petit. Ouais. C'est cute.
Guys, apple. Daming bunga. Harvestin natin yung mamaya. Ayan, ang ganda ng view dito. Tapos yung village nila ito. Ayan, ang ganda guys ng mga bahay nila dito. So hindi tayo nagsisi dito, tayo nagbook ng hotel dito sa village ng ano ng Cluster ano siya, Davos Cluster pangalan ng village na to. Yun. Hindi natin alam kung may restaurant ba dito ng mga kainan.
Ah, il est aussi là. Le drapeau des Grisons.
Ah ouais. Yan ang flag ng Grisons.
Le drapeau, oui, ça tu vas l'apprendre dans le livre aussi.
Ah ouais.
Ça, c'est le...
Yan ang typical na building ng Grisons, parang may ganyan shape ng ano nila window. Cute. Yan ang flag ng region na to, yung may ano horn na kambing, goat.
Belle, hein?
D'accord.
Pas tellement le chaud.
Ok.
Et ici c'est la gare, on va aller allons voir la gare.
Guys, tignan niyo yung bahay na to. Hotel yan siya guys.
Hôtel Silva Plana. Je pense qu'il fonctionne pas.
Hmm. Typical plant of Grisons. So wala tayong makita na mga kainan dito. Wow, nice hotel this one. With a lot of flowers in the window side, in the balcony. Guys, nakahanap na tayo ng kakainan natin. So guys, we are going to eat here in the Pizzeria restaurant, and it's beautiful flowers here, and the background of the place is beautiful also, and this is the restaurant, and we are going to enter now. This is the entrance, and their mini bar there. We are here in the pizzeria and it's beautiful. So we are here in the Pizzeria restaurant, and I like the place and it's beautiful.
So we'll take
Yeah, here. So here. Go there. Food. This is, guys, this is my dinner.